Perhaps one of the most exciting new technologies that is likely to emerge in the near future is full immersion virtual reality. Also known as full dive VR, this conceptual technology has been featured in many movies and shows such as Inception, Ready Player One, and Sword Art Online. Not all immersive virtual reality is the same, however. In this video, we will break down the types of virtual reality, and then we will discuss how we might achieve the highest level of immersive VR. To break down the levels of virtual reality, we have separated 4 different forms of VR by their amount of immersiveness. The first level of virtual reality, which we'll call external, is what we have now. It includes VR headsets, headphones, and motion control setups. We've chosen to label these devices as external as they are applied outside of the body and are non-intrusive. Even though the VR we have now is nothing compared to what we'll probably have in the future, anyone who has tried VR knows that it is still incredibly immersive. This is because vision is our strongest sense, as it is responsible for around 80% of our entire perception of the world. Hearing is second, making up around 10% of our perception. This means that wearing headphones and a VR headset puts us at around 90% immersion already. The second level of virtual reality is an upgraded version of the previous. This type of virtual reality is featured in the movie Ready Player One. It includes everything from the previous level, with the addition of haptic feedback, and possibly even some sort of olfactory feedback as well. This type of VR would still be external in the sense that nothing would be implanted within the body. However, there would be more equipment involved. A few companies have already built haptic devices, and we may see this type of VR become popular later this decade. The third level of VR is something entirely different. We'll call this level internal because instead of relying on external peripherals, the VR would be somehow directly linked to your brain. An example of this type of VR would be something like a Neuralink. Elon Musk's company Neuralink has been making breakneck progress in this field, and they now expect to hold human trials by the end of 2021. This type of VR would be fully immersive, as it would work by stimulating the neurons in your brain. We may see this sort of VR in the near future, perhaps closer to the end of the decade. We have already partially discussed some of the impacts that artificial intelligence could have on VR in our video on AI. If future virtual reality relies on AI to process and generate the world, then we could have complete immersion. Theoretically, if the AI were linked with the brain, it could allow us to experience anything that is desired. This VR technology would continue to improve as computers and AI do. It is possible that this type of VR will get so good that you will even be able to forget that you're in VR. Such an experience could be considered digital godhood, as one could interact with these AI-generated worlds however they please. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, be sure to stick around and subscribe for lots of more content. We'll see you all in the next video.